Hey there, political enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the high-stakes drama unfolding in Zimbabwe. The power struggle between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga, is heating up, and it's creating ripples across the political landscape. Mnangagwa has called an emergency Politburo meeting for tomorrow. The meeting's agenda? To discuss the delegates attending the upcoming ZANU-PF conference in Bulawayo next month. Seems straightforward, right? But there's more than meets the eye. Last week, senior ZANU-PF members were deployed to oversee a cell and village verification program across Zimbabwe's 10 provinces. This move is seen as part of the preps for the conference, which is set to shape the future of the party's leadership. According to ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa, all members should be seated by 11:45 a.m. for the noon meeting. But let's dig deeper. This meeting is widely perceived as a strategic maneuver by Mnangagwa. The aim? To weaken Chiwenga's support base ahead of the critical conference. The power dynamics within ZANU-PF are shifting, and both Mnangagwa and Chiwenga know what's at stake. Mnangagwa, facing criticism over his leadership, is grappling with internal and external challenges. Internally, the tension with Chiwenga is escalating. Sources suggest that Mnangagwa's intention to seek re-election in 2028 has ruffled feathers within the party, particularly with Chiwenga's faction. Externally, Mnangagwa's recent diplomatic mishap with Zambia has put him in a precarious position. His unguarded remarks during a meeting with Russian President Vladimir Putin, where he accused Zambia of siding with the US to isolate Zimbabwe, have sparked diplomatic tensions. The Kremlin's release of the recording caught Zimbabwe off guard, highlighting Mnangagwa's vulnerability on the international stage. Meanwhile, Chiwenga and his supporters are watching closely. Allegations surrounding Mnangagwa's ties to controversial businessman Wicknell Chivayo have only fueled the power struggle. Chiwenga's faction views these connections with suspicion, further deepening the rift within the party. The upcoming Politburo meeting represents a critical juncture for ZANU-PF and the future of Zimbabwean politics. The outcome will likely determine the stability of the ruling party and could have significant implications for the 2028 elections. Can Mnangagwa and Chiwenga find common ground? Or will the power struggle lead to a significant split within ZANU-PF? Only time will tell. And let's not forget about the broader geopolitical landscape. Mnangagwa's reliance on Russia for support, coupled with his criticism of neighboring countries, raises questions about Zimbabwe's regional standing. The SADC summit in Harare has also brought human rights concerns into sharp focus, with calls for the release of political prisoners. So, what's next for Zimbabwe? The stakes are high, and the political chess game is more intense than ever. I'll be keeping a close eye on this and updating you as the story unfolds. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on global politics. Catch you next time.